Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at the side project subreddit. I'm not actually sure this video is going to get many views, but I wanted to make it because I want to hear what you're building. So leave it in the comments below, and we're just going to look at this post and the comments and just see what people are building and go from there. And then I might share some of the things I might be working on this year, but you know, I'm always starting new projects and never finishing them. So, hey everyone, we're already a month into 2025 and I'm curious, what projects are you working on this year? Leave it below. Whether it's a startup, a side project, an open source tool, or just something fun, I'd love to hear about it. As for me, by the way guys, it doesn't even have to be coding related, you know, it can be anything. Maybe you're knitting a sweater. As for me, I'm building CodeQuest, a free gamified learn-to-code platform with interactive lessons. Although these things exist, I think this is definitely something that's all about execution, like most things. And I remember a few years ago, I feel like gamification was really popular. So I think as long as it's done well, it could be cool. It looks like right now it's just a waitlist. I will probably not sign up, at least not here, not right now. But, you know, if you want to, go check it out. By the way, guys, I recently became monetized and created memberships, so if you want to join those and ask me questions or see other perks, feel free to do that. But, you know, no biggie. I'm building document automation software for docx. So essentially, Word files. Quite cool. Let's check at the pricing. 900 records. I quite like that. It's just like, rather than doing, okay, unlimited monthly. Fair enough. So there is some monthly description, but I like that you can just sort of pay, get something, and then do it. I think that's a good pricing model. There's documentation. Simplified document creation with forms, data sources, and templates. Pretty cool, to be fair. To be honest, I respect anyone who's already built something and got it out. It's hard to do, not necessarily to build things, but I think like having the discipline to go from start to finish and deploy it. I always respect that. So nice. Love that it's free for now. We'll be featuring it on best free tools. Go check this out. You know what? This seems like a cool website. I will leave it in the description. I should probably favorite this. Let's put it into tools. So yeah, here's a bunch of free tools used by founders. I like this because it's moving. What else have we got? Talk, awesome free live chat app. I pretty much just click on the things that I like the logos of. Anyway, you can go check that out. Hey there. So these are responses. I'm just going to collapse that because we care more about sort of the actual comments. What cool unique features does it have? Let me know when you launch it because I'd love to give it a try. So I'm currently working on a college mini project, something like AI interior designer. I think there was a point where IKEA buys augmented reality startups. I think they bought a bunch. IKEA acquires AI imaging startup. So it's basically, they're sort of, yeah, similar thing. So like AI interior design, although this was more about augmented reality and sort of seeing what things look like inside of your house, I suppose, or flat, or wherever you live. Have you released anything? If you want user feedback, add it on sofast.com. Cool. And I actually had an idea like this like years ago, but I didn't really know if it was a good idea and ended up not building it. So that's on me. But it looks quite cool. So it looks like you can just get feedback for your products. There's plenty of other places to do that as well. Flagsy, iOS geography trivia games. I think these are quite popular at the moment because you've got the what's that game? Wordle. You know, that was bought for like, wasn't that? I bought for like some ridiculous amount of money, like 8 million. It's pretty simple. So I think building simple brain teaser web apps or apps is quite a good, fun thing to do. If you can think of something unique, I suppose. So check that out. And yeah, like I said, I'm kind of more interested in what you guys are building, and maybe I can go over some of the things I'm building. Yeah. I say building. I've already said that I'm terrible at getting things done. This is the year. I'm going to actually build some stuff, deploy it. I mean, I have built and deployed stuff before, but, you know, not in the last couple of years, if I'm honest. Been too busy with work. Maybe when I get more time. Building LLM support for my lyric video studio. Like literally right now, just a short break from coding to check out on Reddit. Oops, this is my fault. This is auto dark mode on everything. So video creation made easy with simple, efficient text tools and generative AI. That's quite cool. I think it's a good idea to be able to have a music video for every single song you have. So yeah, because a lot of songs, I'll be honest, sometimes I like, on like a Friday evening, Saturday evening, put Spotify on the TV, and I like seeing the music videos. Let's look at the features. Maybe you're just here for inspiration, which is fine. Easy and fast lyric import, lyric syncing made easy. I mean, I think this is a pretty cool, novel idea, to be fair. If I could have used it on the browser, that would have been amazing. If you want to raise awareness and get user feedback. I think is this person like, is this the same person? Oh yeah, they are. I wonder if this is their thing. Why are they getting downvoted? I guess people thinking that it's like self-advertisement, but I feel like this whole thread is self-advertisement, so I'm not sure. Maybe it's a bot. Is it a bot? I don't know. For your information, I briefly tested the app as WebAssembly, although a lot of the... Yeah, I do actually think it would be cool if you could do it in the web. But is it a web app then? A downloadable thing. Desktop application is the word I was looking for. I'm guessing it is. Grows with your AI co-founder that handles sales and marketing while you build. We always had this joke at uni when we talked about ideas. It was like, oh, I would handle the business part. You do the coding part. Because, people always come to you asking to build something. But you just flip it on them, say, I'll do the business part. So it learns your company inside and out, then crafts targeted strategies to attract users and customers through intelligent automation. Okay, yeah, I can see why they're getting downvoted, because they're just replying to like every single comment on here to promote their thing. It's like, just share it once, okay? No need to go crazy. Let's check it out. Why not? We're here. Yeah, this really messes with some websites. It's good for like themed websites, but for some reason it really messes up when it's already a sort of dark theme website. I'm not really sure why. Get customers and grow faster. Grows with our pricing plan. Completely free. Fair enough. I'll build Xclock, the simplest focused discipline trainer. Stuff like this is always fun to build. I'm going to have to do this on like every website I go on. I don't really like the interface, if I'm really honest. I feel like it could be nicer. It's quite small as well. Like this is on 100%. This is a small monitor as well. This isn't even my ultra wide. I'm going to see what it looks like on my ultra wide. I mean, it's sort of in a container, so it looks pretty much the same. But yeah, cool. Spice.me. Made a small app with my girlfriend to spice up the intimate life. Damn. Track time, locations, added a couple of challenges. I'm going to open this. Let's open this over here to make sure it's safe for work. Let's see. It just kind of looks like this. So you can enter your email. Loved by couples worldwide. It probably is a good idea, to be fair, although certainly interesting. So yeah, check that out if you want. I love the idea behind this. It is a good idea, to be fair. It's quite novel. I've never heard of an idea like that. That's a cool domain with... I didn't even look at the domain. What is it? Spicy.me. Find problems or leads for your next SaaS. I'm working on Wrap This Sol. So I'm guessing this is like a crypto thing. Solana, native token, simplified trading Sol. Fair enough. Not really my thing, if I'm honest, but if you want to play around with blockchain, maybe a good idea to build something similar. I'm looking into building Govly. I like the name, Govly. It's a platform for automating and managing the different governance processes that take place within an online community. I'm surprised. Okay, so this is actually light theme, so let's go back to, which is why I didn't mess it up. The community governance no-code platform designed to make community decisions simple and fast. Adaptable, inclusive, integrations. Oh, join the waitlist. I kind of want to see, like, there's no pictures. Okay, so Govly can automate a decentralized content moderation workflow using sortition, where a random group of eligible users is selected to review and review reported posts. Okay, so now I might be misunderstanding this. It's quite cool though, but so rather than being like Reddit, where you have a team of moderators or a moderator, it sounds like everyone will be part of this moderation pool, and the posts, comments, whatever, will go and be distributed to different people. It's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. I'm not sure. And if it goes to multiple people as well, you kind of have that. You kind of remove necessarily one person with certain like views being in total control. Like it's not going to be perfect, of course. I don't think anything that's like moderation can ever be perfect. Moderation, I think just the nature of moderation, you're going to have issues. Starting, I think, a digital marketing company with main focus on Insta, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook. Fair enough. This is one of those things, it's just like, they're not really saying anything there. So digital marketing, it's going to be like, it's a very generic term. It's just, but this is sort of a real business in the sense that actually, the only way they actually have something is by going out and talking to people and, getting money in exchange for a service. So, fair enough. I'm building quickhost.app, simple pocket-based hosting service. Fair enough. Oh, that was bright. Mostly working on random creative personal stuff. Lovely. Roomalize. Recently launched my renovation planner app. Every feedback is appreciated. So from outdated to outstanding. Get your plan in a minute. So I'm guessing, is this like how it works? Let's look at pricing first. Start. Why is it so cheap? Is that per? Oh, you get credits. How it works. Show me what you have. Upload a photo and describe your dream space. Set your style preference. Get a clear plan. Say goodbye to confusion. We'll give you a simple step-by-step to make your vision happen. Get started stress-free. I wonder if this is just using like a LLM in the background, or if they're actually renovation plan. Paint living room walls. I wonder if this is automated. So let's have a look at a photo. So they have a total budget, remaining budget, budget used, and I guess they give recommendations. It's actually a pretty cool novel idea. I like ideas that I've not seen before. Very cool. Go check it out. Let's see. Got a 500 error. It's just a server error, isn't it? I always forget. 500. I should know this. God, embarrassing. 500 error, I believe, is just a server error. Yeah, okay, so something crashed. It looks like the issue was caused by the app being deployed in America while database was in Europe, leading to network timeouts. Okay, at least they know the issue. I'm building wait list kit and next up kit and recently sold a lecture kit. So it's no longer mine. Very cool. I think they like the word kit. So this is clearly ruining this page, I think. Waitlist kit. Create beautiful waitlist pages. Fair enough. I wonder what the pricing is, because building something like this is simple. $30. I quite like that. It's just like a one-time purchase. It's easy to build. So this is really just about getting it in the hands of people. Let's say next up kit. The next .js starter kit that will help you transform your ideas into reality without breaking the bank. Built with affiliates. What is it? I don't really get it. It's just a starter kit. Okay. Keep in mind that like Next.js or like has its own templates already, so search for your GitHub username. I'm not going to do that. And then, what was this one? Lecture kit. Has that literally been bought to, and then it just redirects to Corsi? Or maybe it's just been renamed. Oh lord, this is horrific. Okay, there you go. Fixed. One course, one project, documentation. Okay, anyway. I'm building virtual pet list. Hell yeah. This brings back, what was it? Nintendogs. My girlfriend talks about this sometimes. She used to have this. They need to bring back Nintendogs. Maybe I'll build a online Nintendogs. Probably exists. I don't know what this website is, to be honest. I like the retro style. I wonder how old this website is. It looks very old, but I know it probably isn't. I don't get it. What is it? So this is just a forum. Home. Welcome to our community. Want to join the rest of our members? Discuss the constantly changing, developing world of virtual pets online games. Okay. And online games. Let's see. Virtual pet information. Virtual pet. This is all crazy that this exists. Let's look at the marketplace. Selling Neo Stamp. Best virtual pet game for multiplayer. What makes a virtual... Let's have a look at that. Is there a multiplayer virtual pet game that one could spend time with friends? There's no one replying. What is this website? Is kind of a weird website, but fair enough. I don't want to... Damn. Fair enough. Anyway, we got distracted there. Pretty cool, you know. I mean, it's just funny. I'm going to give them an upvote just because it's funny. What have we got? Graph Tech, a tool for creating real estate. It's free real estate. Landing page using templates. Have custom domains. Cool. I mean, I'm never really that interested. It's stuff like this just doesn't interest me. But like, you know, it's a tool. It's something that people use and great. Silly Duck. I'll beat Wall Street. It's a free forever, no BS stock portfolio benchmarking platform. It holds you accountable for their ideas. It holds users accountable for their ideas. Let's check this out. This is probably being ruined by that. I'll beat Wall Street. So crowdsourced portfolio benchmarking. Fair enough. I'll beat Wall Street. I'll beat Wall Street is a free forever. Okay, that's the... Fair enough. Silly Duck. So that was down here, a mix of a few things. Is it AI? Oh, which launch? Okay, this is quite cool. I like stuff like this. Pretty cool website. So which launch first? Let's start the quiz. Google or Facebook? It's Google. Which launched first? Twitter or Instagram? Twitter. Let's put that back on. YouTube, obviously. Which launched first, WhatsApp or Snapchat? It's got to be Snapchat. Oh, wrong. Pinterest or LinkedIn? I think Pinterest, you know. Amazon or eBay? That's a tricky one. eBay existed already. I'm fairly certain of that, which is why Amazon initially went just after the book niche. I'm going to go with eBay. Oh, wow, I was wrong. Fair enough. Which launched first? Probably Hulu. Oh no, because Netflix used to have a store, didn't it? Which launched first? Zoom or Skype? Yeah. Uber or Lyft? Fair enough. I'm terrible. Apple Music, Spotify, definitely Apple. Oh my. Okay. Which launched first? Android or iOS? Wow, some epic failing going on here. Which launched first, Mac OS or Windows? I need to brush up on my tech history. Which there's too many of these. We can't do all of these. But yeah, the consensus is that I don't know anything. Let's try one more. I'm not even going to try this. Google Docs. It's got to be Office. Finally. What else have we got? Is it AI? Is this like pictures? You have to like pair pictures. Operation Live. Emoji memory. Which one is heavier? Oh, that could be fun. Follow the color. Banana for scale. Elon and his bananas. Definitely getting distracted. I'll get back to it. Which one is heavier? Banana or stapler? Stapler. Staplers are quite... Yeah, but which banana? Ballpoint pen. Coin. Which one is heavier? Sheet of paper, eraser. It's got to be eraser. Phone charger, laptop charger. Well, it depends. This is ambiguous. Which laptop? I mean, it's got to be a laptop charger on average. Is it AI? Start. Is it real or AI? AI or real? There's something off about it. Yeah. Anyway. Pretty cool. Stuff like that's cool. I'm adding new features to Mern launch. Oh, Mern, yeah, that's like this text. It's a stack, isn't it? Mern. I forget what it stands for. Is it MongoDB? Mern stack. It's been a while since I heard that, to be honest, you know. MongoDB, Express, React, Node. I'm building a kid's storybook generator. Pretty cool. Anyway, I feel like this is this has gone on for a while. I've kind of gotten distracted. I didn't realize we're already over like 20 minutes. Hot list. Hot list is a tool for anyone who loves their favorite things. Better podcast player to help people get the most value from the content consumed. Your favorites all in one place. Nice. Recite. Nice. Anyway, I think we'll leave it there, right? There's plenty of inspiration here for you. The main thing I want to get out of this is hearing what you guys are building. Yeah. Leave a like, subscribe, and like I said, you can become a channel member. You'd be my first member, and there's some benefits, you know, early access to videos, I think, and stuff like that, all the generic stuff, you know. Anyway, take care, and thank you for watching.